Evelyne! I can't believe I scored this super hard to get bag from the Hermes website, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. So let me tell you a bit more about Shengshou. So Shengshou is an Hermes notification service, and essentially it tells you when the bag is dropped onto the website even before normal people without this notification service can see the bag online. So it's really easy, and I'll show you in steps. Essentially, you need to be signed in to Shengshou. You literally just choose whatever bags that you want on your wish list. So they have multiple bags that are very popular, such as the Mini Lindy, the bag, the Mini Garden Party Lindy 26, Mini Evelyne, and also Picatinny 1822. They even have Rodeos as well, and also some other hard to get items like Mini Della Cavalleria. And so essentially you just take whatever bags you want to be notified of, and you will receive a notification as soon as the item drops onto the website. The way that they'll notify you is via your email, so they will tell you how to set your email notifications on so that you do receive their notification. Essentially, once the bag is dropped onto the website, they will send you an email. You open up the email, and inside the email you will have the direct link to the Hermes website and to the bag that you want, where you will be able to add it straight to cart. So there's no like opening some other website or anything. It brings you directly to the Hermes page. Once you're there, you can just click add to cart and sign into your Hermes account, and then check out using PayPal or Apple Pay. And it works because, guys, I've been stalking this website for the past 2 months for this particular bag, and I finally got it. So I'm very excited to unbox it and show it to you guys. If you want to subscribe to Shengshou, they have a few different plans, and there is the monthly one for $25 and also the 12 monthly one for $170. I honestly think that it is such a good value to buy this service, because if you were to go to Hermes, you will have to pay some sort of pre-spend for in or a Mini Evelyne. Honestly, guys, I think spending money on this service is so much better than going into Hermes and doing, you know, a couple of $1,000s pre-spend, not knowing if they will even give you the bag. So I think stalking the website for non-quota bags is the way to go, and really just paying $170 even for the 12-month service, I think it's a good value for money. The next parcel, and tucked inside here is such a small box. The Mini Evelyne. It's Clermont's leather, because it looks like a Clermont's leather. Super soft. And yeah, inside it's just this unlined leather, if you can see. Rough edge, so no lining. I can tell you that I went to a Hermes shop in Japan. The answer is no bags. So they have no bags for you, obviously. So it's not that easy to get this from the Hermes boutique. So I think really best bet is to have a subscription service like Shengshou, and in that way you can get the bag. Now the main thing is my phone fit. So if you have an iPhone Pro Max, it will definitely fit inside. And I'm just gonna put my wallet inside, my tissues, and my lipstick, and yeah, everything fits, and you still can some more other things inside.